Global warming is one of the biggest concerns of people all around the world. One of the most important reasons is a concern because of the rising temperatures of the atmosphere every day. There are many reasons for the increasing temperature of the planet. One of the biggest reasons for global warming is the emission of harmful greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Causes and effects of climate change. Causes: rapid industrialization, energy use, agricultural practices, deforestation, consumer practices, livestock, transport, resource extraction, pollution. Effects: rising temperatures, rising sea levels, unpredictable weather patterns, increase in extreme weather events, land degradation, loss of wildlife and biodiversity. What are the social impacts of climate change? Displaced people, poverty, loss of livelihood, hunger, malnutrition, increased risk of diseases, global food and water shortage. Global warming causes. Deforestation is a leading cause of global warming as it enables more carbon dioxide to remain suspended in the atmosphere. As humans are the main cause of global warming, we must not be ignorant and realize that global warming is real and very harmful. We must take steps in our everyday life to curb global warming to be the best of our abilities, including planting saplings, using public transport, etc. Global warming and climate change. The sea levels are rising by the day because the planet is getting hotter, which is dangerous as it has submerged many lands. It is imperative to stop global warming and climate change or try our best to curb it. Using public transport instead of private vehicles per person is an alternative to try out to help curb global warming. It is essential to spread awareness about global warming and climate change. Prevention of global warming. Global warming is causing the depletion of the ozone layer over Antarctica. Irresponsible use of fossil fuels is the biggest reason for global warming. Harmful agricultural practices like crop burning increase the carbon emission in the area. Nuclear energy, wind energy, and hydroenergy are the alternatives for use of harmful fossil fuels. Developed countries like USA or UK emit the highest amount of carbon into the atmosphere. Global warming. What you can do about it. Burning fossil fuels such as natural gas, coal, oil, and gasoline raises the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and carbon dioxide is a major contributor to the greenhouse effect and global warming. You can help to reduce the demand for fossil fuels, which in turn reduces global warming. By using energy more wisely, here are 10 simple actions you can take to help reduce global warming. First, reduce, reuse, recycle. Second, use less heat and air conditioning. Third, change a light bulb. Fourth, drive less and drive smart. 5. Buy energy efficient products. 6. Use less hot water. 7. Use the off switch. 8. Plant a tree. 9. Get a home energy audit from your utility company to identify areas in your home that may not be energy efficient. Encourage others to conserve. Stop global warming. Global warming is one of the biggest problems the world is currently facing. Temperatures continue to rise year after year, causing the polar ice caps to melt and sea levels to rise, which could cause major flooding of our towns and cities. Humans are one of the biggest causes of global warming. Here are a few things we can do to help prevent climate change. First, walk or cycle to school instead of traveling by car. Cars emit gases which are harmful to the environment. Second, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Try to cut down on the materials that you buy and reuse or recycle the ones that you do buy if possible. Last, switch off your TVs and computers if you are not using them, as well as all light switches if they do not need to be on. The impacts of climate change and global warming have a snowball effect, generating more and more problems as the crisis unfolds. We must consider the environmental and social impacts of climate change to inform solutions that work for everyone. As we invest in green technology, advocate for green policy, and make small changes to reduce our carbon footprint, we must not overlook the powerful role that community-based approaches have to play in the fight against climate change. The future requires us to understand nature as a living entity and not as a resource.